How to use different text fonts in Wix Studio Editor. Using different text fonts in Wix Studio Editor can help you customize your website and make it more appealing. You can choose from hundreds of fonts provided by Wix, or upload your own fonts and add language fonts. Here are the steps to use different text fonts in Wix Studio Editor. Click Add Elements on the left side of the editor. Click Text and drag a text element onto your page. Click Edit Text and select the relevant text element in the editor. Click the Open Inspector arrow at the top right of the editor. Scroll down to Design and click the Font drop-down menu. Do one of the following: select a Wix font. Click Upload Fonts to upload your own font. Click the Languages icon to add a language font. Click Save. You can also format and style your text using the available tools in the inspector, such as size, color, alignment, spacing, and more. For more information and tips on using different text fonts in Wix Studio Editor, you can check out these websites. Learn more. 1. Wix Editor, changing your text font help center wix.com. https://support